Council, the chairman of the Council of Chiefs, our friends, family, and well-wishers who are here today. I'm here to present the profile of Otumba Nofin of Ijebuland, Otumba Justus Olugbega Daniel. He's an accomplished engineer, a consummate politician, a quintessential manager, and philanthropist. He attended Baptist Boys Boys School at Abeokuta, the Polytechnic Ibadan, and later studied engineering and transportation. He was a two-term governor of Ogun State and founder, chairman, Crystal Lawrence Limited, Lagos. An engineer, an engineering firm blazing a trail in a world-dominated foreign corporate giant as the foremost and the only ISO 9001 classified lift company in Nigeria. As the former governor of Ogun State between 2003 and 2007, his administration lived up to this position by bringing positive innovation and productive dynamism into governance by firmly putting in place an agenda of modernization in Ogun State. After leaving office in 2011, Otumba Daniel established an academy, a political leadership training institute, with a vision to propagate principles and capacities needed for effective, value-based social, political, and economic leadership. He was also a one-time Pro-Chancellor of Federal University, Kasete, Gombe. In 2018, as an active politician, he offered himself to serve as the national chairman of the nation's main opposition political party in Nigeria, the People's Democratic Party of Nigeria. He also spearheaded the Atiku presidential campaign organization, which secured the candidacy of the former vice president of Nigeria as the PDP presidential flag bearer in the 2019 electoral process. Otumba Daniel has since quietly retired, but not tired, from partisan politics and back to his engineering profession, youth mentoring, and philanthropy. He is the founder of a not-for-profit organization, the Gateway Fund Foundation, which has over the years impacted positively on the lives of many thorough humanitarian and charitable activities. In recognition of his contributions to the societal development in different areas of economy, Otumba Daniel has been honored with several academic laurels, awards, chieftaincy titles, including the Obalofin of Ijebuland, and that's why he's standing here, because of that title, and that's why he's been honored today. Arode of Lebanon, Ogala of Ibadan, Ogala of Yowaland, Professor Joye of Ile-Ife, the source, among other titles. He's also the Ashwaju Onigbagbo Okunrin of Remo present. As a mixer and a noble personality, Otumba Daniel belongs to the foremost social clubs in the country. On the home front is the Balogun of Egbe Akeye Akilejebu, and the Baba Egbe of two prominent age-grade schools, Egbe Edadimodu Obìnrin Stainless and Egbe Tobalashe Obìnrin Obalofin Akilejebu. Otumba Daniel is happily married to his beautiful wife, Yeye Funke, who is sitting beside him, beside every successful man. A woman, the Yeye Obalofin of Ijebuland, and they are blessed with lovely children. Your Royal Majesty, sir, I hereby present a true son of Ijebuland, a former governor of Ogun State, to be honored as one of the Royal Court members